to be able to share my knowledge with you. We're doing this all alone, so sorry if we disconnect. I apologize. The last time we were supposed to come on, there was a technical error, the net was down, and I just didn't know how to get my head around it. But this time we're on and I'm so excited. So the last time we did some standing yoga poses, and I'm sure a lot of people benefited. I got a lot of feedback on Facebook and through the app that a lot of people practiced those asanas, and they were going to continue to do them. So this time around, what we're going to do is just focus on maybe the throat area, okay? Because this virus first attacks the throat. So we'll do some Ujjayi Pranayama, and as I said to you, it's always important to start with a bit of warm-up exercises. So I'm going to go back on my mat and I'm going to show you just some basic warm-ups. We'll just loosen up the body. And today's exercise pattern or asanas that we've chosen to do are very simple asanas. You can even tell your grandmother to join in this session. It's going to be short, it's going to be crisp. And while we're speaking on this medium, I really hope it's my duty to remind you to stay at home, and I hope you're telling all your friends and family to take cognizance of the fact that we need to stay safe, and we have to curb this virus from spreading. So let's start with some simple warm-ups. Come on. I'm on my mat. Okay. First, take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs and exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale. और जितनी भी ऑडियंसेस हैं जो चाहते हैं कि मैं हिंदी में आपसे वार्तालाप करूं, उनके लिए लंबी सांस अंदर ले और छोड़े। लंबी सांस अंदर लीजिए और छोड़ दीजिए। क्या बात है। We just loosen all our hands and limbs. बस झटक दीजिए सारी जो मतलब नकारात्मक ऊर्जा है उसे दूर फेंकिए, दूर भगाइए, दूर दूर दूर। See, working out or any kind of regime should be fun. You have to enjoy it. ठीक है? ठीक है. Now, just do some spot jogging. Okay? If you're slightly older, just go slightly easy. ये जो warm up होता है ना, बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. ये आपके joints को खोल देता है. It loosens up your muscles. बहुत important होता है. नहीं तो you'll get a catch, you'll get a sprain. That's it. So just do this. Rotate your ankles clockwise, anti-clockwise. ठीक है? Neck बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो side to side. पहले right, फिर center, फिर left. इसको आप 5 बार करिए. इस सेशन के बाद मैं कुछ इम्यूनिटी बिल्डिंग या बूस्टिंग फूड्स के बारे में बात करूंगी जो आपको अपने रोज़मर्रा के खाने में उसे इंक्लूड करना है किसी ना किसी तरीके से. एंड क्यों मैं वो उसके भी रीजंस बताऊंगी. सो ट्राई एंड इंक्लूड दोज फूड्स इन योर डे टू डे nutrition and your plate. So we start with this now. Just keep your hands parallel to your chest. Just move them. Opens up your shoulder blades. अगर आप देखें, opens up your shoulder blade. ऊपर नीचे, ऊपर नीचे. Great. Can you see me completely? Okay. Let me just do some side bends. इसको बोलते हैं तिर्यक ताड़ासना. Now try and touch your fingers to the ground. Go down. Palms to touch the ground. Slightly pump. Come up slowly from the lower spine, raising the mid back to the top. इसको वापस करते हैं. नीचे जाइए. अब वहीं पे रहिए. Touch your toes. Bend backwards and lift your back up and go backwards. Okay? So front, side, back, up. Front, side, back, behind. Front, side, back, behind. इसको दो और बार करते हैं. Front, back, front, side, back, behind. पैरों को थोड़ा सा पास लेकर आइए. Now what you do is you just rotate your hip. You rotate your hip. Rotate it. And you go anti-clockwise. 5 बार left. नीज को मत हिलाइए. बहुत लोग नीज को भी हिलाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं करना है आपको. सीधे नीज को, पैर को सीधा रखना है. Only move your hip and your buttock. Okay? Do it again. Left किया हमने. Now you do it right. Now we come into Vajrasana. वज्रासन में आइए. ये आसन बहुत लाभदायक होता है डाइजेशन के लिए. खाने के बिल्कुल बाद भी आप ऐसे बैठ सकते हैं. बहुत लोगों को ऐसे बैठने में दिक्कत महसूस होती है. That's because they're not used to it. So this is how you are supposed to sit. Just breathe. Feel the breath. Feel the breath fill your lungs. Reach right up to your stomach and exhale. चलिए, ये हुआ beginning. Okay, like I said, today we'll do sitting down asanas.